Now that we have added the logic to publish the message for the new payment message, let's run the application and try this out. We need to make sure that we run all of the projects. Let's add one more item to our shopping cart. And let's examine the shopping cart. It should have 3 items. The order total is 215. Let's check out. Let's hit the place order and see what happens. Perfect. We see the confirmation page. Let's examine our database. Here we should have one more order header. That is great. The order total is also perfect here. The payment status is 0. Let's switch back to the Azure portal and let's examine the order payment process topic. Let's examine the Service Bus Explorer and let's see if there are any message here. Yes, there is. We have the order ID 2, name, card number, order total, and everything is looking great. So now we have a message that is available inside the new topic. We need to create a payment API that will process everything that is present in this new topic. Sounds familiar? Yes, it is. Let's work on that in the next video.